you guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be working on the 240 again, and we have something that just came in the mail. So let me go ahead and start unboxing it for you guys. So our friends at Atoto went ahead and sent us over another double din. This one is so cool, guys. Let me show you guys what it looks like. It's the Atoto A6 2G plus 32G version, and we have one of these inside the 4Runner and it looks super nice. So they went ahead and sent us this radio about a year ago, and it's been in the 4Runner ever since because that's my daily, and so far it's been really good. I had no problems with it, and it connects to my phone automatically as soon as I turn on the car. So it's been doing its job and I love it. So I'm so excited to put this one inside the 240 because the 240 has a single din and it's just not as nice. So I'm pretty sure this is for the Wi-Fi. There's the microphone. I think this is radio. The USB ports. I like this one because they have 2 ports instead of just having one. So when me and Blaine are in the car at the same time, we can both charge our phones. And this is the extra trim if we need it. These are the brackets. And this is the unit itself. So this is actually a different version than the one that's inside the truck. The buttons all down here are actually all on the side on that one. So hopefully the format and everything is kind of the same. So this is how we had the USB port coming out because it was the most convenient spot. We're gonna need to replace this pretty soon. I hate taking these interior pieces off because I feel like they're gonna crack every time. Can you hold this, please?
What did you do? How come you're scared that thing that's gonna break?
Because this car is old. You know this car is older than me?
Really?
Yeah, this car is really old.
How come?
Because it's a 240. So these are the wires that came with the radio, and these are the ones that are inside the car. Can you show this, please? So these are the wires that are already inside the car. So what I'm gonna do is just cut the wires between these harnesses over here and then just connect the new ones, and then we should be good to go. Have a good day. Okay, bye, love you. I didn't really record it because it's kind of all self-explanatory. You just kind of connect all the same colors together. There's little words on it so you can tell which one goes to which one, and then this just plugs right into the back. So we'll save this for when we try to connect everything together, but I'm gonna go ahead and take the old brackets off so we can put on the new deck. So the brackets are on. So now I'm just gonna plug the wires back in. So the best part about these radios is that all the antennas and everything can just be put in the back, or they don't need to be visible on top of the dash. And then for the USB ports, there's a little plug-in right over here. Alright, so let's check if the radio turns on. Oh, that was super fast. Even though the buttons on the side look different, the screen looks exactly the same. It's exactly like the one inside the truck. There's YouTube, Spotify, Pandora, and you can even add your own music. So there's a SD slot right here, and then you can just plug it in and then it'll show up on top here. So one thing that I like about this radio already from having it inside the truck is that when you turn the ignition on, it automatically connects to your phone. And then when you press this music button, it already automatically plays whatever is playing on top of your phone. And another cool thing is that you can also use YouTube on here. So you can watch videos just like how you watch on your phone or on your laptop. And then you can scroll through other videos, and it's super cool, especially when you go on like road trips and things like that. So before we put everything together, I'm gonna try to plastic weld this piece. It sucks because when we got the car, all the interior pieces were good, but I accidentally pushed too hard on this when we was installing the last deck, and it cracked. It's not gonna be perfect, but at least it'll be in one piece again. close up perfect, but at least it's all in one piece, so we can go ahead and throw all the interior trims back together. So this is how the interior looks now. It looks so good with the double din. These are gonna look nicer later on. We need to find a bracket, but just the radio makes it look so nice in here. So if you guys are interested in copying yourself one of these double din, there's gonna be a link in the description down below. Add it to Amazon products, so if you guys have Amazon Prime, this will be delivered in like 2 days to your door.
Notification gang! Yay! And if you haven't did that, make sure to do it. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you do it yet?